These are our buckle winners. There goes Shell running by.
Jesse does. No, it wasn't Jesse.
I'm give you a little advice. Don't worry about that.
All right.
But I don't know where he got his information.
Yeah. I told him we started off after Buckles deal around. If we had more than 13, that would be okay.
Yeah, exactly. And that's what was told to me.
Okay.
There we go. Here is the team of the one-day CVHA Buckle Series. One-day Buckle Series. Rhonda. There's Rhonda up there. I'm sorry, Helen.
All right. You bet. Let me get a picture.
And Robert, the President.
You bet. Hey, thanks for coming, guys. I really appreciate it.
Let's get you this way because it's
We're in the sun.
Yes.
Hey, I like getting out of the sun.
Yeah. And act like you having a good time.
A good time?
Did this over here?
Oh.
Thanks, guys.
Let me dig up my...
Yeah, my email should be on there.
Can
I email you, please? And then I will send them right on over. And if you actually want prints, I will. Cool. High quality, I will give you 5x7 of all the ones that you want.